Hi guys, welcome to our channel and let's start basic of Python. Hi guys, so today's agenda for this video is basic printing and taking input in Python program and basic data types used in Python programs. So let's start now. So here we will do basic hello world program in which we will print hello world in output. So we will use print command for that, printing something on console. So now print. So now this is, we save this program, and this is for printing something on console, which is an string data type. We used to print something directly on console by using strings, which is stored in double quotes. So now we will try to run this. So now here hello world. Okay, you get basic printing something on console. How to input variable? So now first we will declare variable. In Python we will do directly, like a is a variable, we will declare and we will assign it to some value. So now we will take input from user and input. So what we will write here inside parentheses in double quotes, it will be displayed on console. So enter any value. So now here we will ask for user to enter any value. So now we will see what data type it is. So a we will assign to input, and so we will enter any value. So we will check what is the data type of a. So now print. For checking type of that variable, we will use type command, type a. We will save this program and we will run this. So we will enter something hello. So it is string data type. So now we will run this again. We will enter here 10. Still it is showing string data type, because when we are inputting some value, it is stored in string data type as a default. So now we have to change that string. Here we enter 10, we have to change that into integer data type. So now here we will change something. Here we will give int, which is an integer data type. So it will change this inputted value into integer data type and it will save into a variable. This is a typecasting operator. So we will use int. Now we will see what is the data type of a. So we will enter 10, enter. So integer data type. If you give here float, then it will change into float data type. So now save. So now run. Enter any value, 3.14. So it is a float data type. Okay, so we will take here character also as a string data type. So now we're done with basic input output and data type basic, which are integer, float and string, which we use in simple programs in Python. So thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts in this video, you can comment on this video. So thank you, and do subscribe our channel. Thank you friends.